Good morning, Judy here from Thistledew Creations. I have a it's Monday morning and I need to clear off my desk the things I've accumulated over the weekend. And the first item that I want to put away is the napkin swap from Dianne O'Brien from Caledonia, Ontario. We swapped, I think it was two of each napkin. I think we did 10 different ones. So I just wanted to show you what she sent me. She sent me a little note saying that the sunflowers were being difficult. I would imagine that she was probably trying to remove the backing and they kept tearing on her, because that was happening to me on a couple of them as well. So she sent those with a piece of the backing still attached, which is fine. I can get it off one way or another. But I like these ones. I'm slowly working on a sunflower journal. And I like the grid in the background of this one. So I got two of those. And then two of these bright green sort of tropical leaves. Those would be nice background for something. And then two of the barn board with pink roses and greenish white flowers. Always like anything with a barn board background. And then this white one with little grayish black dots and flowers around the edges, kind of like a bit of a watercolor with an outline look. And then this one that has 4 clusters of pink and brown roses with green leaves, and then the brown border. And some botanicals that run on opposite sides of the napkin. Those are very pretty. Those will make nice borders along the bottom of the page. And then some blue daisies with purpley blue butterflies. Those are just beautiful. I love that. These ones are bigger. And then some pink and orange peachy colored flowers. I'm not sure what kind of flowers they are. I like that scalloped border. It looks like a vintage hanky. And then I love the all over roses prints. I just think they're so beautiful. And this one is sort of a dusty rose, almost a brownish burgundy with the green leaves. And then all over leaves. I always like these as well. Good for a background. So that's what I got from Dianne. I know that she's received mine by now as well. So hopefully she likes what I sent her. And it's always fun to get new napkins. I've got quite a collection now. When I get the ones where I only have 1 or 2 of them, I tend to use them right away. So I'm going to plan a day of playing with napkins. I do have another batch coming. So when they arrive, I'll do the other video. And then I'll do a video where I use them. So stay tuned for that. Thanks very much for watching today. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. But most of all, have a great day.